TCR is a non-lethal, tactical compact rifle designed for home defense, recreational use, and training. It operates on a CO2 cartridge system, propelling rubber projectiles. Its compact size, easy handling, and high capacity make it a popular choice for those seeking a less lethal self-defense option. Non-lethal, designed to incapacitate without causing fatal injuries. Compact and lightweight, easy to handle and store. High capacity, holds up to 19 rounds with a single CO2 cartridge. Versatility, customizable with various accessories due to Picatinny rails. No background checks or permits required. In most jurisdictions, launcher, the main body of the weapon, magazines, holds the rubber projectiles. Shooting keychains are typically miniature replicas of firearms designed to be attached to keyrings. They are primarily decorative items, collectibles, or novelty gifts. They do not have any functional shooting capabilities. Miniature replicas, these are detailed models of real firearms, often made of metal or plastic. Cartoon or stylized designs, these are often more playful and less realistic. Functional-looking keychains, some might resemble actual firearms in shape but lack any firing mechanism. Gun enthusiasts, as collectibles or memorabilia. Toy collectors, as part of a larger toy collection. Gift givers, for friends or family with an interest in firearms or as a humorous gift. Safety. While these keychains are not real firearms, it's essential to handle them responsibly and keep them out of the reach of children. DANGO Tactical is a company renowned for crafting innovative and functional EDC, everyday carry, gear, primarily focused on wallets and accessories. Their products are designed to be both stylish and highly practical, catering to individuals seeking minimalist yet robust solutions for their daily needs. Minimalist design. Their products are typically slim and compact. Durability, built to withstand everyday wear and tear. Functionality, often incorporate multi-tools or additional features. High-quality materials, they use premium materials like leather, titanium, and aluminum. Modular design, many products offer customization options. Wallets, their core product line, featuring various styles and materials. Multi-tools, integrated into wallets or standalone tools. SABRE 3-in-1 Mini Stun Gun is a compact personal safety device that combines multiple features for enhanced protection. Stun gun delivers an electric shock to incapacitate an attacker. Personal alarm emits a loud siren to deter and attract attention. LED flashlight provides illumination in low-light conditions. Effectiveness: stun guns can be effective deterrents, but their effectiveness can vary depending on factors like the attacker's size, clothing, and the user's ability to deploy the device correctly. Legality: laws regarding stun guns vary by location. It's crucial to check local regulations before purchasing or carrying one. Vlad X-Bow is a cutting-edge, compact crossbow designed for tactical and recreational use. Compact design, easily transportable and concealable. Repetitive firing, equipped with an 8-shot magazine. Quick change limbs, allows for easy power adjustment between 60 pounds and 90 pounds. Versatile, can be used for target practice, hunting, or self-defense. Durable construction, built to withstand rigorous use. Legality: crossbow regulations vary widely by location. Always check local laws before purchasing or using one. ParaPactum is a revolutionary protective device, often described as an umbrella on steroids. It's a high-tech, handcrafted product designed to offer unparalleled protection to high-profile individuals. Multidirectional protection: the ParaPactum provides protection from various angles, making it effective against a wide range of threats. Instant deployment, it opens rapidly, allowing for swift response to potential dangers. Material, constructed from triple-layer aramid, it's resistant to laceration and offers protection against knives, stones, acid, and even dog attacks. Crowd control, the ParaPactum can be used to manage crowds and maintain a protective perimeter. Evacuation aid, its large size and sturdy construction facilitate quick and safe evacuations. Wuben T4 is a tactical flashlight known for its compact size and impressive performance. It's a popular choice among outdoor enthusiasts, law enforcement, and everyday users seeking a reliable light source, compact and durable. Despite its small size, the T4 is built tough with a durable aluminum body. Powerful output, delivering up to 850 lumens, it provides ample light for various conditions. Versatile modes, offers multiple light modes, including tactical, duty, and lockout, to suit different needs. Rechargeable, convenient USB-C charging for easy power replenishment. Waterproof, IP68 rating ensures protection against water and dust. Outdoor activities, hiking, camping, and exploring. Scorpion Chain Dart is a unique weapon that combines elements of traditional rope darts with a more modern design. It's essentially a weighted dart connected to a chain, which is then attached to a handle. Weighted dart, the dart provides impact force and can be used for both offensive and defensive maneuvers. Chain allows for flexibility and reach, enabling various techniques and strikes. Handle provides control and stability during use. Offensive, the dart can be thrown or swung at an opponent, aiming for vital points. Defensive, the chain can be used to block attacks, entangle opponents, or create distance. Control, the weapon can be used for grappling, choking, or disarming opponents. Note, while the Scorpion Chain Dart can be a fascinating and challenging weapon to learn, it's essential to prioritize safety and proper training when laser sight pepper sprays are a relatively new innovation in personal self-defense. By combining the accuracy of a laser sight with the incapacitating effects of pepper spray, these devices aim to provide users with a more effective and precise means of protection. Laser aiming, a small laser is integrated into the pepper spray canister. When activated, it projects a red dot onto the target, enabling the user to aim with greater precision. Pepper spray deployment. The pepper spray is dispensed in a concentrated stream, designed to incapacitate an attacker temporarily. Improved accuracy. The laser sight significantly enhances the chances of hitting the intended target, especially in low-light conditions. Quick deployment. Many models are Cold Steel Cable Cane Whip is a unique self-defense tool that combines the functionality of a traditional walking cane with a concealed cable whip. This design offers a discreet and effective method for personal protection. Concealed cable, a retractable steel cable is housed within the cane, extending when needed for self-defense. Walking cane function, the cane can be used as a traditional walking aid for individuals with mobility issues. Durable construction, built with high-quality materials for reliability and longevity. Discreet design, the cable is concealed within the cane, making it difficult for potential attackers to detect. In a threatening situation, the user can quickly deploy the cable whip by extending it from the cane. The cable can be used to deter an attacker by striking their arms or legs.